Bienvenue pour ce photocall
welcome to this
photocall de
much awaited photocall for La Fracture.
Catherine Corsini qui est au centre
Corsini,
de l'écran, la réalisatrice française en compétition au
French director in the competition here in Cannes.
Après
20
en quelque
years
sorte être venue à Cannes avec la répétition.
After la répétition, Catherine
qui a
Corsini
reçu, un accueil enthousiaste hier soir
got a
lors
big
de la projection de son
ovation yesterday after the screening of her new feature film.
La Fracture. Et autour
La
de
Fracture,
Catherine Corsini,
and with her you have, she's just left, but there was the producer, Elisabeth Perez,
son casting autour
and the cast
de la réalisatrice.
with
Vous voyez donc sur ces
the director there in the middle,
les comédiennes Marina Foïs,
Valeria Bruni Tedeschi, Pio Marmaille, and a real revelation, Aïssatou Diallo Sagna.
Découverte de ce film,
A
comédienne
discovery here, a non-professional actress in her first appearance in the cinema, who plays an auxiliary nurse in this film from Catherine Corsini.
pour ce film.
And so a very enthusiastic reception for this very powerful film. It's a film that takes place in an emergency, if you like. There's always a sense of urgency there and chaos. And there's the
Gilets jaunes,
yellow vest
l'état des urgences,
activists as well. So it's a day in the life of the emergency room, if you like, you know. And so the state of French society, if you like, with opposition, but also dialogue.
fort, un film à la fois
A film
les aspects
which looks at the tragic aspects that you can have in the news today, but
de l'humour,
as well as humor,
de tragicomédie.
a form of tragicomedy of despair. But there's a massive energy there from Catherine Corsini,
Énormément d'énergie.
and masses of energy comes from her film La Fracture. Catherine Corsini, who came back to Cannes with Trois Mondes,
Également l'état de notre société. Elle était dans la sélection.
and this was in Un Certain Regard back in 2012.
Et présentée
She presented in the Director's Fortnight
Jeunesse.
Les Amoureux et Jeunesse sans lieu.
Catherine Corsini
Catherine Corsini,
récemment des films comme La Belle Saison,
films like La Belle Saison, Summertime and An Impossible Love,
Voilà,
Un Amour Impossible. Valérie Bruni Tedeschi, actress, director, who's in a number of films at the moment
cette
in
année,
Cannes this year.
tournée elle-même son nouveau long
She's making her own feature film as well,
Les Amandiers, Patrice Chéreau.
with Patrice Chéreau and Les Amandiers.
Avec Patrice
She came with
Chéreau,
Patrice Chéreau to Cannes in competition.
Pour ceux qui même prendront le train,
Pour ceux qui même prendront le
et
train,
rejointe par Pio Marmaille,
Pio Marmaille has joined her.
Valéria Bruni Tedeschi, Pio
Valéria
Marmaille, Marina
Bruni Tedeschi,
Foïs.
Pio Marmaille, Marina Foïs,
Et donc
and
Aïssatou Diallo.
Aïssatou Diallo Sagna.
La révélation de ce
The
film.
revelation of this film
Ces acteurs sont au
All these
diapason
actors
de
are
leur réalisatrice.
here,
Formidable et
carefully listening to their director,
des dialogues savoureux.
and the dialogues are very
On est dans un monde
carefully crafted dialogues, but there is a breakdown of love affairs as well. There's a breakdown of society. Marina Foïs and Valeria Bruni Tedeschi sort of breaking up, and a class struggle as well that Catherine Corsini
avec sa caméra.
observes with her camera.
Traite aussi du mouvement des
And
gilets
it
jaunes,
looks
des a
at the
priori
yellow
des
vest
uns et des
movement
autres, et puis bien sûr de cette
and the different opinions on this, and then this hospital,
en situation de saturation,
which is saturated,
où tous les rapports sont extrêmement
where
tendus.
everything is very tense. Relationships are tense, where you see
Infirmières,
the
aides-soignantes,
dedication of the
permet de tenir.
carers there, but it means that everything keep together because of their attention, and you're always at the edge of chaos, the edge of catastrophe, on the verge of disaster.
Réunissent ou se retrouvent aussi
People meet up together as well.
laissés pour compte de notre société.
Or we see the people who are abandoned by society as well, the
Psychiatrique,
people
parce que
in psychiatric care as well, because the
français
psychiatric care state in France is questioned as well in the film.
terrible.
And,
Voilà donc
there's a lot
Valéria
of problems. Valeria Bruni Tedeschi, Marina Foïs,
membre du jury Un Certain
member of the
Regard,
jury for
qui
Un
était
Certain
en compétition
Regard, came out of
Le
competition
Grand
to
Bain,
present
Gilles Lelouch, elle était là
Gilles
aussi
Lelouch et
en-
Cinco Swim, Le Grand Bain, in Un Certain Regard,
de
with
Laurent
l'atelier
Conté, Marina
from
Foïs.
Laurent Conté, Marina Foïs,
qui joue dans ce long métrage, donc une éditrice de bande dessinée qui vient
She
rejoindre,
plays a publisher of
de se séparer, qui a eu un
cartoon
accident, qui est
books,
tombé dans la rue et c'est
and she has an accident. She falls down in the street and she breaks her elbow.
les dialogues entre son
The
personnage
dialogue between her character and that of Valeria Bruni Tedeschi, their very choice.
est en train de
Her
manifester,
son,
s'inquiète également
she's worried about her son because he's one of the demonstrators
entre
nearby.
policiers,
And then there's the clashes between the yellow vests and the police.
sont mises en scène avec
And these are shown with a great deal of
met en
a
scène
very powerful filming
système
here, looking at the different
d'information
systems of
avec les réseaux
information, the
sociaux,
social networks,
les téléphones,
telephones, portable
la
phones,
télévision,
TV,
et bien sûr
different forms of communication, and human beings just talking to each other as well. And all of these clash, if you like, but a lot of humanity comes out of this film, which gives it all its strength.
une humanité parfois au bord du chaos,
So
mais
humanity on the verge of chaos,
ce
on
chaos
the
est
verge of collapse, but the chaos is wonderfully
par
choreographed by Catherine Corsini,
la feuille, donc
Arena Foyce.
de nouveau à Cannes, elle
Back in Cannes, she was with Maïwen's Police
compétition
in competition
en 2011,
in 2011,
reçu à l'époque le prix du
which
jury.
won the jury award.
Voilà un film, je vous le disais, qui a
A
marqué
film which,
lors de sa projection
when
hier,
it was screened yesterday, it marked the
La Croisette,
audience.
avec une très très longue ovation.
A very long standing ovation.
Pio Marmaille
And Pio Marmaille,
fait partie
who
de la
is
sélection officielle 2020 avec Médecin de
who was
nuit,
in
Eddie Bajman,
the 2020 selection with Night Doctor, Médecin de Nuit with Vincent Macaigne,
Médecin de nuit,
The Night Doctor,
salle en ce moment,
which is currently in the theatres. You can see that as well.
conseil.
Advise
Vas-y, comme ça,
this film.
arrête.
It's a good film.
Vas-y, vas-y.
I recommend it.
Vas-y.
Voilà, Pio Marmaille qui est en train de
Pio
chorégraphier
Marmaille.
également, lui aussi,
Choreographing
avec les cadreurs de la
With
télévision du festival,
the festival's cameramen
mais aussi les photographes.
and the photographers there as well.
Très heureux hier à
He was very happy following the screening yesterday.
il est là à l'affiche d'un film important.
You can tell that he's here for an important
Son
film,
énergie
and
d'acteur
his energy as an actor comes across
dans ses confrontations notamment
in
avec
the
Valérie
confrontations with Valeria Bruni Tedeschi. He plays a policeman who was injured during a demonstrator, so he ends up in the emergency room
il est camionneur,
in A&E, and he's a truck driver, and he's involved in this police clash,
actrice de bande dessinée.
and he meets
Il y a une opposition entre ces
Marina Foyce, and there's the confrontation between the two characters,
fait l'un des sels du film,
Which
une
is,
opposition qui va évoluer tout au long
this
de
opposition which changes throughout the film, it evolves throughout the film. And now the wonderful revelation, wonderful discovery of this film, Aïssatou Diallo Sagna,
non professionnel
a non-professional actress, her first appearance on screen.
de profession.
She is
L'occasion d'ailleurs de
an
saluer
auxiliary nurse, and it's a way of saluting the work done by this
les
profession,
soignants.
by carers. She's a carer by profession.
Vraiment, c'est une révélation.
But she is a real revelation, Aïssatou Diallo Sagna. She's at the heart of the film.
Une infirmière,
She plays a nurse,
dont la fille, le
Whose
bébé est malade.
daughter
alors
whose
qu'elle
baby is ill.
son service, elle vient d'enchaîner les
Her
gardes.
baby's ill, but she nevertheless comes in and turns up to work, which is often the case in France, because there's a need for people,
Entre
and she's torn between
ces malades qui ont besoin de
all the people who need care, people who need emergency care,
Elle est au cœur
and she is really at the very heart
de ce service des
of
urgences.
this A&E ward, accident
Nombreux
emergency
soignants,
ward,
d'ailleurs, ont fait
accident emergency department, and
du film de Catherine
she's
Corsini.
part of key part of
les personnages, tous les personnages.
Catherine Corsini's film. All these people who were there, all these
Présence assez
all
forte.
these supporting people, if you like, supporting actors, supporting staff, supporting care workers,
Et valorisé
and each role is really
et un effet
focused on, so which this creates a great reality, a very powerful reality.
On va découvrir donc quelques
So
images de
we're
la
going to discover a few
trouver l'ensemble de ces
images from the film before we find the crew in the press conference. La Fracture,
de la
waving to the photographers from the international press, working in incredible heat. It's really very hot.
courage à eux. Voici donc l'équipe
So,
de la fracture qui traverse.
good luck to them with this dealing with the heat, and they're crossing the lawn there to go to the